Here we want to use graph to determine which of the functions f of x, which is equal to x to the fourth minus 100x cubed, and g of x, which is equal to x cubed, is eventually larger. So let's go ahead and put this in Desmos. So if we put in f of x, which is x to the fourth minus 100x cubed. So we can see what that graph looks like. And then we have x cubed. So right now we can see that x cubed is larger than x to the fourth minus 100x cubed. So we're going to need to really investigate this graph and go a little further here. So if we look at this graph here, we zoom in, this is what's happening. Now let's take a look at, if we go a little further, a little further, a little further, a little further, where we can see that it's moving further and further away. Okay, but let's take a look at the maximum for y. Let's use 1000. Okay, we can see what's happening there. Let's go to, let's say, 10,000. Well, it's moving further and further away. Let's go to, let's say, 100,000. So here it's moving further and further away. So if we wanted to put in a minimum and maximum for both x and y, let's figure out which numbers that we want to put in. So we'll start at 0 for x. So we'll go 0 and then we'll go to 150. Okay, because we want to see what's happening that's growing larger, so we want to go to the right side of the graph. And we can start at negative 1 million. And let's go ahead and finish at 2 million. So if we look at this point right here, okay, x is 101 and the y value is 1,030,301. Well, that means when x equals 101, then the value or the graph x cubed becomes larger. So what that states is that f of x, which is equal to x to the fourth minus 1x cubed, is larger than g of x equals x cubed whenever x is greater than 101. So therefore, there is the point of intersection for that particular graph.